Hello guys, and welcome to this mini tutorial. Basically this is not a video tutorial. This is just a recorded class, a version of our presentation in class, just in case you didn't come. So this is the video that I made for you guys, just to check out what happened in class. I hope you enjoyed it. So today in Cycle 2, we start with formatting text. Format text is important. And so in this class, we're going to see a little bit of font, how to change the size, the color, how to change the case of the font, highlight it, and finally a little bit of alignment. So in class, we talked a little bit about how to format text and why it is important. But basically, formatting text is important because not all of the text has the same importance. Some words or some specific parts of the document are relevant or something that is important to tell to our audience, something to catch the eye of the person who is reading our text. So that is why formatting text is important, to draw the attention of the reader. In Word, we have several options to adjust the text. We can change the font size, the font type, the color, and we can also adjust where the text is going to be, on the left, in the middle, or to the right. Just the same here in the example, you can see that there are some text that have different formats. For example, there is a part right here that is italic. Then we have this part of the text that is in capital letters, and this is a color blue. Also, this one is bold, is darker than the text that is here. And many things different, right? This one is aligned to the left. So this is a typical example of how I format the text to make it look different. Now, if we continue, how do we do that? Well, we can do it by changing the font size. In the Home tab, right? In the Home tab, what I do is I find these options right here, and I can change the size of my font the way I like it. Now remember, this is the ribbon, this is the tab, and these are the commands. Other thing that we can do is to change the font color. To change the font color, I need to select the text that I want to select, right, that I want to change the color. Then I have to go to Home tab, click on the color, right, the color command, and all of my options are right here. Also, there is another option too. If I see that there are not enough colors, if I want to change the appearance of the color, I can come here where it says more colors, and there I can find more colors to change them. Bold, italic, and underline commands are very important too, because I think that those are the ones that I use more, because sometimes changing colors can be a little distracted. So again, I just select the text that I'm going to change, and then I'm going to click in the Home tab, the bold, the italic, and the underline command. Of course, I can use my shortcuts too. Command B for bold, Command I for italic, and Command U for underline. Also, I can change the case. This is very important too. Sometimes I want to change to uppercase. That means that I want all of my letters to be capital, or sometimes I want them all to be small. Sometimes I want them to be sentence case. That means that they start with the capital letter. And there are two other options. Another one is the capitalize each word. That means that it's going to look like this. Just this one is capital, and this one is capital, and the rest are small. How do I do it? Again, I select the sentence that I want to change, then I want to go to the Home tab, and in the Home tab, I'll look for this command right here. It will display this drop-down menu, and I select the ones that I want. Also, I can highlight text. Highlight text is to put some color just behind the space. Important thing, please, if you're going to highlight text, make sure that you don't use those darker colors because it's going to be difficult to read the text. Again, you're going to select the text. In the Home tab, you're going to find the command that is next to the color of the text right here. This is the appearance, and you can just select the color that you want to highlight. Just in case it doesn't look good and you want to go back to no color, so you just select the text again and you click here where it says no color. I can also change the text alignment. And the text alignment is basically to change the place where the text is positioned. So what I do is select the text that I want, then I go to the Home tab, and in the Home tab, right here, this is where I can change the orientation of my text to the left, to the center, to the right, or if I want all my text to look even, like justified. I hope that you like this mini video tutorial. In case you missed the class or you still have some difficulties with some things, I recommend you to check it out and ask me any questions if you need.